Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tips of Trips. So we recently stayed in Royal Orchid Beach Resort and Spa, and which is located in South Goa. So we booked Royal Suite, and it was an amazing stay. So entering the suite, we have a huge hall having a big sitting area. Then we have a gorgeous view of a swimming pool. You can enjoy your tea, coffee, and have the beautiful view. Also, they have provided the basic amenities like electric kettle and the coffee mugs, tea bags, sugar, coffee pouches, so you can enjoy coffee and tea, and a mini fridge having drinks which you can enjoy and then pay later. So moving forward, in our right hand side we have a washroom, so I will show you the washroom as well. So as you can see, it looks hygienic and clean. Also we have a separate shower area. Also bathrobes, soap, lotions, everything is provided there. Also a bathtub, so I personally enjoy it with my kid as he is allergic to cold, so we just filled it with lukewarm water, and he thoroughly enjoyed that. And we have basic dry amenities, as you can see, toothbrush, toothpaste, and shaving kit. So shower cap, all these are provided here. And moving ahead, there is a luggage area, and also you can use this as a changing area. So this is good space, so you can see we have 3 suitcases, so we have already, so it can be utilized for that. A big mirror. And now we are entering in our bedroom, which is very modern and spacious. We have fan also, so for the season, so you can use fan on your AC. Also there is a separate TV. We have a TV in hall and room, and here's some dry stuff, so you can enjoy and pay later. And a workstation, so if you have any work, so you can do it here. So we have side tables and light lamp, everything is provided. Personally, what I love about this room is the private swimming pool area. So you can see we have a sitting area, and it is covered from all sides, so you can enjoy your privacy. There's a fan also. So private pool to yourself is clearly the need of the hour, so this is the best part of this suite. So it's not deep, it's 4 feet, so your kids can enjoy here. You can enjoy with your family. It's totally neat and clean. So it was a great stay. So thanks for watching this video. So if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we'll upload more videos. Thank you everyone.